Welcome. This will be a very powerful hypnotic journey into being who you are. If you are ready for this journey, say, I am ready silently to yourself. We will begin with 3 deep breaths. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and you can let your eyes close now. Release through your mouth. As you let go, notice how good it feels to simply allow your body to settle deeper and deeper with every breath out. That's right. And again, breathe in, hold, and exhale. And as you continue breathing, you don't have to try to relax, because relaxation is something that happens automatically when you allow it. Allowing yourself to go twice as deep with every word I speak. Go ahead and take your 3rd deep breath and allow yourself to go all the way down, all the way deep as you release the breath. Just sleep. That's right. All the way down, all the way deep into sleep. Now, to relax and release the tension in your body, I want you to imagine a warm golden light of the sun is upon you. It's warming your head and quieting any thoughts that may be popping up. As the warmth flows down like a golden honey, you may notice that the muscles around your eyes are relaxing. When those muscles relax, the mind can begin to relax. And when the mind relaxes, new ideas, new beliefs can begin to be believed and accepted by the subconscious. You don't even have to listen to every word, because your unconscious mind is already listening and understanding what is useful for you. And as that golden energy flows down your body, feel it relaxing your jaw, relaxing your neck, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your arms, all the way down to your hands and fingers, relaxing your chest and abdomen, relaxing your legs and feet. You are now completely relaxed. Now gently tense your entire body for a moment. And let it go. That's right, relax. As your body and mind are now in the alpha state, you can deprogram all the beliefs that you do not want anymore, the beliefs that don't serve you. For many people, they feel that they are not good enough, that they are not smart enough, attractive enough, or maybe they feel that they don't have enough money. You can be aware of your own limiting beliefs by what you resist. And you can just let them float out of your body now, like clouds of different colors. Imagine those clouds that reinforce your beliefs landing on a canvas and forming a beautiful colored picture of the representations that those beliefs are justified by, those experiences, those times that you felt any of those negative feelings that are stuck in your body. Now imagine looking at that picture that's been controlling all those feelings. And as you're looking at it, start making the color dim. Actually remove all the color and make it just black and white. Yeah, relax. Now, let's shrink the picture. Shrink the picture down, down, down to a postage stamp size. So small, you can hardly even see it, but don't stop there. Keep making smaller until it's the size of a period. And then smaller still until zip, it just got so small that it's now gone. Gone are all those feelings that picture was anchoring. Notice how you already feel lighter, freer, and able to breathe with more ease. Growing up before the age of 9, many of these ideas were installed in you. But you can remove them now. It's from hereditary conditioning about our bodies and our diseases and all that going on. All the religious programming and feeling unloved or not good enough. You are pure light and pure awareness, with just a few dark clouds temporarily blocking your beauty. And now you are learning to remove all these clouds and relax. You can also reprogram yourself to be exactly who you would like to be. The healthy body, the calm and confident one in the crowd, the one that can speak publicly. Anything that you can believe you can achieve, your subconscious will do it for you without effort or struggle. Many times we feel like we're limited, and the truth is we're just like a thermostat for your air conditioning. If you set it to a certain number, that number dictates the temperature in your room. Same with if that thermostat has been programmed that you can only earn so much money, or your body can only be a certain form, or if your health has to be the way it is. It's all under control of that thermostat, and we can break it or adjust it. The subconscious mind, it controls everything, just like your breathing, your heartbeat, and the healing of broken bones. You don't have to do anything. It does it all. And today, we will use the most powerful words correctly. You always use them, but you will always use them correctly after today by never placing a negative phrase after them. I am is the most powerful word. When Moses asked God what his name was, the answer was simple. I am that I am. So repeat in your mind the following statements. Repeat them silently to yourself. I am able to change what I choose in my life. I am ready to live my most perfect version. I am a powerful being. I am confident. I am able to achieve anything that I set my mind to. I am able to control my thoughts and feelings. I am as good as anyone else. I am so beautiful. I am the beautiful state. I am the state of abundance. I am the vibration of these states. I am the healer and the teacher. I am the sovereign creator of my life. I am beingness. I am the seer and the seen. I am all in unity. I am the field. I am a money magnet. I am gratitude. I am feeling so good. I am at peace. I am wealthy. I attract all this with no effort. I am in a loving relationship with the perfect partner. I am surrounded by friends and people that love me. I am one with all that is, and I am so grateful that this is my life. Thank you. I am now a magnet for all that is needed. It just comes. This all came when I asked. And now I am choosing to be in alignment with pure frequency of the attraction of abundance. And now, see it and allow the observer to be the one with the observed. Let go. Let the self, the I, having the experience, and become only the experience. Rest here in this unity. It's not something you have achieved. It's something you have returned to. It's the truth that you forgot. The state of non-dual being. This is the post-observer phase. It is your natural state. From here, creation is not an effort. It is an unfolding. From here, reality does not need to be corrected. It simply conforms to what you are. Now very gently, allow your awareness to once again notice the body. Do not leave the state of unity. Simply bring a gentle focus back to the point within the field. Feel the furniture beneath you and the air on your skin. And when you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Notice what has shifted. There's a stillness, a quiet power. that will continue to grow. Come back here often until it is permanent. Thank you. I love you. Namaste.